In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix phone number verification ownership issues in Google. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting locked out due to phone number verification can be incredibly frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to regain access and resolve those ownership issues easily. First, let's talk about the security cooldown. Google takes security seriously and often flags phone numbers if they have been used excessively or if there have been recent changes to your account. If you've just added a new number, keep in mind that Google might still send verification codes to your old number for up to 7 days, so it's best to wait a full week before attempting to verify your new number again. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you've requested too many verification codes, it's best to hit pause. Stop all attempts for about 24 to 48 hours, because continuously pressing that verification button will only extend the lockout period. Patience here truly pays off. Next up, let's troubleshoot if you're seeing the message stating your number cannot be used. This often happens if you're using a number from a less popular carrier or a virtual service. To solve this, try using a different carrier. Major mobile providers are generally a safer bet. Be cautious about using services like Google Voice, Skype, or any free SMS websites, as these are often filtered out by Google's security checks. If you're in a bind and need a quick solution, consider borrowing a number from a trusted friend or family member just for the verification step. Remember, it doesn't have to stay linked to your account permanently. Now, sometimes the issues might be related to your device itself. To resolve this, try verifying from a trusted device where you've successfully logged in before. If that doesn't work, you can clear the cache on your device. For Android users, go to Settings, tap on Apps, then look for Google Play Services. Within that, select Storage and hit the Clear Cache option. This can help to eliminate any temporary glitches. Additionally, it's worth trying the verification process using an incognito or private browser window. This can reduce interference from old cookies that might be causing problems. Now, if you're dealing specifically with ownership issues in your Google Business profile, the process is a bit different. Start by providing proof through the Google Business Profile Help tool to submit an appeal. You'll need to attach documents such as a recent utility bill that clearly shows your business name, address, and the phone number you're trying to verify. Consistency is crucial, so make sure that your name, address, and phone number are the same across your website and other directories like Yelp or Yellow Pages. Lastly, if you find yourself locked out completely because you can't verify due to a lost phone, don't panic. Head over to the Google Account Recovery page. If you see the prompt asking for your old phone number, select Try Another Way. You might have backup codes if you've saved them, or you can use your recovery email to authenticate your identity. Navigating verification issues can feel overwhelming, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to regaining control. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you resolve your phone number verification issues.